Okay, inside of the program blocks, right, we have our task sort of tracking progress. One of the biggest challenges in career and technical education is that tracking which tasks students have actually learned and practiced. Blueprint helps you make that process simple. So you have your first block created. Now navigate to the task tracker. It's inside your program workspace. The view will show you the tasks from your uploaded task list all in one place. And as students work through their instruction, you can track the process by marking tasks as introduced, reinforced, or mastered. So if you have a task selected in 4 different blocks, the same one, it's going to show you that you've covered it and then reinforced it and mastered it. This will help you quickly see how your skills are all being practiced and still or possibly may need more instruction.